right, let's take a look at the science. I want you to have your science activity packet in front of you. I hope that you wrote your name there. And then page with me. So we page 1, 2, and then we're here. I thought it was going to be a lot more. All right, at the top, write 23 September. Try and write September in cursive for me, please, if you could. September 2020. All right. Now you will see there are 2 pages that look exactly the same. This one and this one looks exactly the same, but it's not the same work, okay? You have to do both, but I'm going to help assist you in all of them. So the first one says, this little piggy needs your help. He needs a nice strong house to protect him from the wolf, but he doesn't have any straw, sticks, or bricks. Can you help him build a house out of something else? So now, Yozike, you must think to yourself, you need something. You need something strong, you need something heavy, you need something that's going to keep the big bad wolf out of this little piggy's house, because you need to keep him safe. So number 1, what material will you use to build a house for this piggy? You cannot use straw, sticks, or bricks. So now I'm going to name up some of the materials that we have discussed. We've talked about plastic, we've talked about glass, we've talked about maybe concrete, cotton, wool, paper, what else is there? Wood. Sticks is basically wood, but you can still use wood. Metal. So write down here, which one of those materials would you use for a piggy's house so that the big bad wolf cannot blow it over? You can go ahead and write that in now. Good. Number 2. Now you have to explain, why did you choose to build a house out of this material? How will it keep him safe? So why did you choose to build a house out of this material that you wrote here? If you wrote glass, you need to write for me here. Well, glass is very, let's say hard. So it doesn't matter how hard the wolf blows, he will not be able to blow it down. Or I chose metal because it's very heavy and the wolf will not be able to blow the metal down, or whatever you want. Why did you choose that material? Please explain to me what properties in this material made you choose it to keep the piggy safe. Good. Then, number 3, what are some other properties that your material has? Are there things that piggy will like? For example, if you chose glass, you can say, well, glass is cold, glass is transparent. Remember, transparent means you can see through it. Glass is rigid, which means it isn't flexible. Glass is smooth, all this type of things. Think about at least 3 other properties of your material. And then at the bottom, you will have to draw a picture of the house that you will build for Piggy. So if you said a metal house, I want to see a metal house. If you said a wool house, I want to see a wool house. If you said a leaf house, I want to see a leaf house. They say be sure to label the important parts. I told the kids in class the labeling isn't as important for me, as long as I can see that you have the right material in mind and how you would construct this material into a house. And then use the lines to write about your house. So then you can say, my roof is made of plastic, my walls are made of glass, my windows are made of metal, my door is made of wool, whatever. Okay, so just write that here and draw your picture. You can pause and do this, or you can watch the entire video and then take your time completing both pages. I am going to leave a bit of a space between this and this because I want you to do those while we are talking or while I'm talking to you, and then the rest you can go fill in afterwards. So, little pigs, you need some new digs. Again, the date, 23 September in cursive, please. September. I almost wrote 2002. My word. I was grade 3 in 2002. That's insane. Okay. This time, the wolf wants to build a house for this little piggy. He wants it to be easy for him to blow over, but he doesn't have any straw, sticks, or bricks. Can you help him build the piggy a house of something else? So number 1, what material will you use to build a house for this piggy? Now, you must keep in mind that this time it's not which material is the strongest, which material is going to hold this house up. This time it is what material is going to be easy for the wolf to blow down, because this time the wolf is building the house. So what material will you use that is flimsy, that can easily fall over, that you can just move out of the way? Something simple. So there are things like wool, paper, glass, metal, concrete, what else did we say? Rubber, I guess, leather, cotton. There are many different types of materials. Choose one that you think is going to be easy for the wolf to break or to blow over. So you can write that material in there. Don't worry about the spelling. I'm not going to mark the spelling. Good. Shoo, I think. Okay, number 2. Why did you choose to build a house out of this material? Why will the wolf be able to blow it over? So there you have to tell me. Why did you choose to build the house out of whatever material you chose at number 1? Why will it be easy for the wolf to destroy this material or to get rid of this material in order to get in the house? Tell me. What was your reasoning? Sorry. Okay. Number 3. What are some other properties? Now you do the same as you did at the first one. If you chose, let's say, wool, you can say soft, flexible, light, it's easy to lift up, opaque, whatever. Opaque means you can't see through it. So write some other properties, at least 3. Then you go draw a picture of the house that you will build for the wolf. So the one that the wolf will build to make the piggy is the one that's made out of this material. You go draw here and you go write for me again about the house. Well, the roof is made up of sticks. Oh no, you can't say sticks. I used the only one they said you can't use. Cotton, because you can easily just pull it off. The walls are made of plastic because plastic is light and can be easily blown over. The door is made of, I don't know, concrete because it needs to be difficult to get inside. I don't know. So now you go fill in the rest and then you are done with your science.